Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a seller's permit in California, step by step. First, determine if your business activities require this permit. Most businesses selling tangible personal property must register. Next, gather all essential business and personal details, including your federal employer identification number or social security number. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient application process, which is typically free to initiate online. To begin, navigate to the official website for the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, often referred to as CDTFA. Once there, you'll need to either create a new online account or log in if you already have one. Look for the clear option to register a new business or activity. This portal is your primary gateway for submitting all required information efficiently. During the application, you'll provide crucial details about your business. This includes your legal business name, physical address, and contact information. You'll also need your social security number or federal employer identification number. Be ready to describe your business type, the nature of your sales activities, and an estimate of your average monthly sales. Accuracy here is key for a successful submission. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Double-checking prevents delays. After successful submission, you will typically receive a confirmation, and your official seller's permit will be sent to you, either electronically or through postal mail. Once received, remember to display your permit prominently at your business location as required by law.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.